You must be wondering that sir is saying I have only two reactions, there are 7 variables, Gibbs phase rule says you need 5 inputs. So if everything inputs outside, everything has been put in as inputs, then what is the use of doing metamorphic petrology? I mean, the number of variables is so big, the number of equations are so small, so majority of the variables cannot be established. Then what is the use of doing metamorphic petrology? PT conditions, we know you can find, that you can find pressure temperature condition, but here you're saying there are 5 variables and all can't be determined. Now how do you find pressure temperature conditions? I will let you know. It's a magnificent puzzle, this metamorphic petrology. It's brilliance always. I'll show you how it is done.